You are about to witness a blizzard in action.
I'm going outside.
Isn't it too cold outside? There's a blizzard coming, Barbie.
Ken, I don't care. There's snow, and I want to go play in it.
Okay, fine, but if you're gonna go, you at least need to put on a little more than that. At least a sweater or something.
Oh no, I look too cute. Hey girl, you ready? Yeah, let's go. Bye!
No, wait, Barbie, come back. The blizzard's coming.
You know what this weather's good for? Yes! Snowball fight! Woo! Oh yeah, where you at? I can't see you. Where you at? Where you at? Oh my god! We're gonna die! Oh my gosh, we're gonna die!
I wanna sing your song. Oh, I guess I'm trapped in. Is that the tree?
As you can see, blizzards are dangerous. Don't be like Barbie and her friend.
My crafts! Flipping! I don't know how that sounds. Why are the hair so nappy? Okay, no more.
Okay, go.
One group, one Barbie, one depression pill.